In this problem, we have that special case. We have two equal fractions. So the cross products have to be equal. So let's multiply this denominator by that numerator. Anything times 1 is equal to itself. So we get v squared minus 2v. And let's multiply that numerator and this denominator. So we get equals 4 times, what is 4 times 6 minus v? So we get 24 minus 4v. Okay, we no longer have any fractions involved. Now we have to evaluate our situation. When we see v squared here, and that tells us we're going to have to factor to solve. So we're going to subtract 24 and add 4v on both sides. That'll give us the 0 we want on that side. So we want plus 4v minus 24. What I'm trying to do here is get my like terms on top of each other. So we're left with v squared and negative 2v plus 4v equals a positive 2v minus 24 equals 0. Well, trinomial with a leading coefficient of 1 has to be v and v. Last term is negative, so that means opposite signs. We want factors of 24 whose difference is 2. Well, 6 times 4 is 24, and the difference is 2. So the larger factor gets the sign of the middle term. And let's solve. Both of these are one-step equations. Here we're going to subtract 6 from both sides, and we get v equals 6. Here we're going to add 4 to both sides, and we get v equals 4. We did not find an LCD, so we have to go back to the original equation, and we're going to plug each value we found, each solution, into each denominator. Well, 6 squared minus 2 times 6. 6 squared minus 2 times 6. That's 36 minus 12, which is 24. So that first denominator is not 0 if we plug in 6. What about the second one? Well, 6 minus 6. We have 6 minus v is the second denominator. When we plug in 6 for v, we get 6 minus 6, and that's 0. 6 is no good after all. Now, what about, for some reason, I really wanted that to be a 4. That's the second time I wrote 4 instead of v. What about when v equals 4? Well, going back up here, we get 4 squared minus 2 times 4. 4 squared minus 2 times 4. So that's 16 minus 8. Well, that's not 0. So that solution is okay for that denominator. What about the other denominator? The other denominator is 6 minus v, and we're plugging in 4. Well, that's okay as well. So therefore, our solution set is just 4.